Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel for another episode of the Gallardo building. The metal kit is getting close to be done. In the last video I attached the engine to the bottom of the car, and now I'm gonna continue from there. Okay, so now when we're done with that part, let's put this rear diffuser. Okay, we need the steering wheel. Let's see, it's gonna go like that. Actually, let's put these together. It's gonna go after. Okay. I'll put this one together. Quite a few spots that we gotta look for to fit. This one don't want to fit. I want a front. Hope you guys can see it. You see, on this side we gotta do some little adjustment. And we're good to go. Steering wheel. Let's see, hold on. Okay guys, so we got everything in order. Got a steering wheel that functions. Okay. Wheels turn. Okay. And now I just need the screws and I can put everything together. So we got 4 screws, from which 2 are bigger, as you can see, and the other 2 are smaller. So let's see what we're gonna need for the bottom of the car. So these should work over here. And what I want to make sure is which screw we're going to use for this part. Okay, so looks like we're gonna be using the bigger screws. So let me prepare everything to make sure this is where it's supposed to be. Okay. And the big moment. Let's put it together. What I'm gonna do is open the door and see how this one's gonna go. steering wheel don't want to go the way it's supposed to. That's not a biggie. Little by little. Turn back. And double check the steering. Okay guys, so it took a little wiggling, but everything is together. So now let's do the screws and we should be good to go. Okay, so for the bottom of the car, we need to put the little screws, as you saw, and we are ready to go with one amazing Lamborghini. Look at that engine. The doors do open. This is what you call built, not bought. Okay. The wheels, they're turning with the steering wheel. So we're pretty much done. The only few touches I need to put are the side markers, front emblem, which is a decal, some decals on the back, and a license plate. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the rear diffuser. Actually, we need to take the tailpipes off. For that, let me take them. Okay guys, so now when I put the Lambo together, there are a few final touches that I need to do. A few more decals, and I'm gonna be ready to show you the finished product, and you can see this in the upcoming videos. The Lambo really came out amazing. I love the color and all of the details on the car. So this is gonna be for this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. This way you ain't gonna miss any of the future videos on the Lambo. Also, if you're looking to buy this awesome Lambo, I'll leave a link for you in the description. Thanks for watching and have a good one.